Easy to Grow Kit and Easy to Grow Kit Go Large. The Easy to Grow Kit consists of a 47 litre tank, a tray and 2 pots. Take the black Marix discs and place them in the bottom of each pot. In the US, just place the gold discs in the bottom of the pot. Each Easy to Grow kit is supplied with root control socks. These are placed on the bottom of each pot, whether it's a 15 litre pot or an 8.5 litre pot. The root control disc and the Marix disc are used to prevent roots from entering into the aqua valve. Take the aqua valve and place it in between the pots, ensuring that the half moon on the bottom of the aqua valve slides over the top of the T section in the tray and push down firmly. Then take your pipe and your 6mm top hat grommet and push the 6mm top hat grommet into the hole at the bottom of the reservoir. Then take your pipe and push it through the 6mm top hat grommet so there's around 2 to 3 inches inside the tank. Then take your 6mm golf filter and push the filter into the pipe. Then place the lid over the tray. The Easy to Grow kit is now ready to be planted up. If you wish to go large with the Easy to Grow kit or any Easy to Grow modules, you can choose 15 litre pots which fit the tray perfectly. The advantage of these pots is that you can also use a propagation dome over the top, which has a vent that you can open and close as the plants grow bigger. Once the plants have filled the propagation dome, simply remove and let your plants grow freely.